Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into enabling the card description preview on Trello. Now, this is an essential feature that allows you to get a quick look at your card's description without having to open up the entire card. Let's get into it. Our first step is to log into your Trello account. Without logging in, we can't access our boards or cards, so it's the essential first step. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board that contains the card you want to preview. Now that we've done that, our second step is to find the card that we want to enable the description preview for. This might seem like an obvious step, but remember, to enable description preview, we have to do it on a card-by-card basis, so choosing the right card is paramount. The third step is to click on the card to open it up. This is where the magic happens, so pay close attention. Once the card is open, look for the Show Description text on the right side of the card, just below the Members section. The reason we do this is because clicking on this text will enable or disable the description preview for that card. Next up, we click on the Show Description text. When you do this, you'll notice that Trello automatically expands the description, giving you a full view of what's written there. Now, this is the crucial part. Once the description is in view, you'll see a small toggle button on the top right corner of the description. This button is what controls whether the description preview is enabled or not. Finally, click on the toggle button to enable the card description preview. This helps us because with this feature on, you no longer have to open the card fully to see what the description says. You can just hover over the card and a preview of the description will pop up. And there you have it. You've just enabled the card description preview on Trello. Remember, you have to do this for each card you want the preview for, but once it's done, it can really streamline your workflow. I hope this guide was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.